How to download and install HP Refresh software on an older PC. In this video, we are using a Chrome browser, but you can use any browser like Internet Explorer or Edge. In order to download and install HP Refresh software, you will need a USB flash drive that is 4 GB or larger and 2 computers, one that is fully functional and one that is donated. Computer number 1 is your fully functioning computer that you will use to download the HP Refresh software and create a bootable USB flash drive that will reimage your donated computer. Computer number 2. Computer number 1 needs to run Windows 10 or Windows 7 and have a USB port which is needed to create the bootable USB flash drive. Computer number 2 must have a 64-bit x86 processor or equivalent, at least 2 GB of memory, or RAM, a hard drive that is 4 GB or larger, and a USB port, which is needed for reimaging this computer using the bootable USB flash drive. For best results, the USB flash drive and the USB ports on the computers should be USB 3.0 compliant. USB 2.0 compliant ports and flash drives do work, but the process might take longer than it would with USB 3.0. Typically, USB 3.0 compliant ports on your computer have an SS symbol next to the port, and sometimes the inside of the port is blue, but it can vary. Creating the bootable USB flash drive using computer number 1. First, unplug all USB devices from computer number 1 except for the keyboard and mouse. Go to hp.com/hprefresh to download the HP Refresh software. Scroll to the download portion of the website and click the download button. In order to download the software, you must agree to the terms and conditions to the HP Refresh end-user licenses. This includes HP Secure Erase protocols, Linux-based OS, Zoom client, and Chrome browser. Click the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click the Submit button. You can now download the software. Click Download Software. Your download will begin immediately. When the download is complete, open the folder where you saved the file, usually the Downloads folder, and double-click hp-refresh.exe. The splash screen will appear followed by the install box. Insert the USB flash drive into a USB port on computer number 1. Confirm that the USB flash drive is selected in the device list. Then select Start, and then select OK to begin formatting the USB flash drive. Please note, only the data on the USB flash drive is erased during this process. This will not erase data on computer number 1. If your USB flash drive had multiple partitions set up, a notice will pop up on your screen indicating this. You must click OK to start formatting your USB flash drive. It may take a few minutes to write the image to your flash drive. Once the formatting process is complete, the Cancel button will read Close. Click Close to exit the program. Now you need to eject your USB flash drive. In the Windows notification area, right-click on the icon that looks like a USB flash drive, then select Eject. When the notification Safe to Remove Hardware appears, remove the USB flash drive from computer number 1. Using the bootable USB flash drive to reimage computer number 2. Make sure computer number 2 is plugged in to a secure power supply but turned off to start. Insert the bootable USB flash drive into a USB port on computer number 2. Press the power button on computer number 2 to turn it on. As soon as you release the power button, repeatedly press a function key on your keyboard so that you can enter the boot menu. For this video, we are using an HP PC, and the key to select the boot menu is the Escape key, or ESC, which is in the upper left corner of your keyboard. Continue pressing this key until the boot menu appears. Depending on your manufacturer, you may need to press a different function key. For other brands of computers, please check the HP website at hp.com/hprefresh. In the Startup menu, select Boot Menu or Boot Device options by using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Once selected, press the Enter key. In the Boot menu, select your USB drive. It might have a different name, depending on what USB flash drive brand you are using. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select the correct option. Then press Enter. The computer will restart and boot from the USB flash drive. Please note, depending on your computer, you might be prompted to press any key to boot from an external device. You will only have a few seconds to respond. If you do nothing, the computer will likely boot from the hard drive. If that happens, you will need to turn off your computer and turn it back on again via the USB flash drive using the steps we just discussed. Once the computer boots from the USB flash drive, you will be prompted to verify that you want to erase the hard drive on computer number 2. Select OK. This starts the process of securely erasing the drive. This process can take up to 20 hours to complete, depending on how large the internal hard drive is on computer number 2. You might want to leave the computer overnight for the process to complete. Once the hard drive is erased, an HP Secure Erase box will pop up telling you that Secure Erase is complete. Click OK to continue. Next, you will be prompted to enter contact information for support in case there are issues. This can be your local school or IT help desk. You can also set a default website that the computer will use, such as your school's landing page. Both prompts are optional, so for the purpose of this video, we will leave these forms blank and select OK to proceed. The software will confirm that the hardware for computer number 2 is functioning and supported. Once the hardware confirmation is complete, the software will start the re-imaging process. After the re-imaging process is complete, you will receive a success message. Congratulations! Click Power Down to turn off computer number 2. Wait for computer number 2 to turn off. Then you can remove the USB flash drive. Computer number 2 is now ready for use. If you have any questions about the installation of HP Refresh software or need more resources, please visit HP's website at hp.com/HPRefresh. We have FAQs, a support community, and more.